Nama saya Erica, saya 19 tahun. Saya berasal daripada KL dan saya fakulti sains, ambil kursus ekologi dengan biodiversity. Sebenarnya kan, is the only university yang ada course ni. Course yang lain macam environmental science, tu beza sikit daripada ekologi dengan biodiversity sebab minat I memang dekat binatang dan flora dan fauna lah. Dan environmental science tu lebih kepada waste management, slope. Tapi ekologi dengan biodiversity lebih kepada nature. Yang tu saya memang minat lah. Dan pun the top university kan dalam Malaysia. So memang bersyukur lah. Sebenarnya I'm not too sure. I just leave it to God because I'm not sure which career I want to go in. But I know it's something to do with animals, and I know that I have a foundation in writing as well, so maybe I can implement that somewhere. But I've heard that I can help advise companies on like ESG methods and strategies, and I could do that as well. But ultimately, I want to be ending up working in a field where I can be close to animals and nature and think of ideas that would help the country.